Hi, this is your host, Sasha, and you're watching Digest Plus. There are so many amazing facts about our world that most of us will never know unless someone tells us. So that's why I am here to share 5 incredible facts you probably didn't learn anywhere else. You might even be a bit surprised by them. Alright, let's get started. Fact 1. The immortal jellyfish. There's a jellyfish called Torotopsis dohrnii that scientists have nicknamed the immortal jellyfish. If it gets injured or grows old, it can revert back to its younger stage and start life all over again. Now, you might be thinking this sounds like a myth or a fairy tale, but it's real. The immortal jellyfish is capable of reversing the aging process. When it encounters danger or faces environmental stress, it transforms into a blob called a polyp. Then it attaches itself to a rock or another surface and begins to grow into a new jellyfish. That's right, it literally turns back time and becomes a baby again. Isn't that incredible? It's like a real-life Benjamin Button, except with tentacles. Fact 2. The walking palm tree. The walking palm tree, or Socratea ixorisa, found in South America, has special stilt-like roots that can grow toward the sunlight. This makes the tree look like it's slowly walking across the forest floor. Now, don't get me wrong, trees are pretty rooted to the spot. However, this palm tree species has a unique trick up its leafy green sleeve. As the tree grows, its aerial roots grow towards the light, causing the tree to tilt and take a step. These steps can be up to 6 inches or 15 centimeters in length. Over time, these walking trees can travel several miles across the forest floor in search of better growing conditions. It's like a very slow-paced nature documentary come to life. Fact 3. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses aren't just intelligent creatures, they also have 3 hearts. 2 of these hearts pump blood through their gills, while the third heart pumps blood around the rest of their body. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why do they need 3 hearts? Well, an octopus's blood contains a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin, which acts as an oxygen carrier. Hemocyanin turns blue when exposed to air, giving the octopus its distinctive blue-green color. But it's not very efficient at carrying oxygen, so they need some extra pumping power. That's where those 3 hearts come in. Fact 4. The corpse flower smells rotten. The Rafflesia, also known as the corpse flower, is famous for its awful smell. Similar to rotting meat, this smell attracts insects that help with pollination. Now, you'd think a flower would want to smell nice to attract pollinators, right? Well, not the Rafflesia. This flower is so stinky that it's earned nicknames like the stink flower and the putrid flower. Its smell is so bad that it's been compared to dirty socks, decaying flesh, and even sewage. But despite its less than pleasant aroma, the corpse flower is a popular attraction at botanical gardens and zoos around the world. People come from far and wide to catch a whiff of this rotting meat. No, I'm just kidding. They come to see it. But some people have said that the smell is worth the trip alone. Fact 5. Axolotls can regrow body parts. The axolotl, a salamander from Mexico, can regrow limbs, tails, and even parts of its brain. It's like a real-life superpower. Now, you might be wondering how this little salamander got its superpowers. Well, the axolotl is a neotenic species, which means that it retains its larval features throughout adulthood. This allows the axolotl to have a more flexible skeleton, which makes it easier for them to move around in the water. But it also means that they have to wait until they're fully grown before they can reproduce. If they tried to reproduce too early, their eggs or sperm wouldn't develop properly. Axolotls are truly amazing creatures, and they could hold the key to helping humans regenerate body parts in the future. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly how axolotls are able to regrow their body parts, but they believe it has something to do with the amount of water in their environment. Axolotls living in drier environments are not able to regrow body parts as easily as those living in water, so it seems that water may play a role in the regeneration process. Well, there you have it. 5 incredible facts you probably didn't know. Which fact surprised you the most? The immortal jellyfish, the walking palm tree, the octopus's 3 hearts, the corpse flower's rotting smell, or the axolotl's superpowers? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing nature videos. Thanks for watching. See ya.